Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
In July, तांच्यानी circular काढलेलो Director of Higher Education saying that state government is planning to start physical classes. And then in July, Nsui Goa had condemned this, saying that before vaccination, the physical classes should not be started. And आमच्यानी त्यांना सांगलेले की स्पेशल वॅक्सिनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करतो गव्हर्नमेंटान दर एक कॉलेजीनी कॅम्पसांनी सो दॅट स्टुडंट गेट वॅक्सिनेटेड देन गव्हर्नमेंट कॅन थिंक ऑफ फिजिकल क्लासेस. पण सिन्स 1 month म्हाका खबर ना डायरेक्टर ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन केला काय ना बिकॉज कॉलेजीनी अजून वॅक्सिनेशन कॅम्प चालू जावंक ना आनी ऑर्गनायजूय करूंक ना. सो आमी विचारूंक सोदता ऑन वॉट बेसीस डायरेक्टर ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन हॅज रिमूव्ड दी नोटिफिकेशन. आनी पयर सीएमान एक स्टेटमेंट काढला बिकॉज वी आर स्टार्टिंग the college classes in physical mode because they are 18 plus. That means 18 plus alert ते vaccinate झाला की ना ते सीएम खबर ना because सीएम असू डायरेक्टर ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन असू तांच्यानी एक सर्वे करू ना. there should be survey from each colleges and once 100% vaccination of the students is done त्यांना तुमच्यानी physical classes start करची. and in the month of July जेव्हा सीएम म्हटलेले की government is planning to start physical classes after teaching and non-teaching staffs are vaccinated. And त्यांना आमच्याने डिमांड केलो की why only teaching and non-teaching staff, also students should be vaccinated. And त्यांना सीएम म्हटलेले स्टेटमेंट दिलो ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस. सीएम म्हटलेले की he has written a letter to the central minister of health demanding that, requesting that to reduce the gap between doses to 30 days for teaching and non-teaching staff. So आम्ही आज डिमांड करता why only teaching and non-teaching staff. It should be applicable also to college students because college students are 18 plus. त्यांचे सुद्धा gap जे between the doses should be reduced to 30 days so that students get fully vaccinated because the only hope from this COVID is vaccination. Last academic year students were scared because of COVID-19, but this academic year students are scared because of COVID-19 as well as because of their safety. Are students safe from this scenario in Goa? As a voice of students, Nsui Goa demands that vaccination camps should be organized in each campus. The gap between the two doses for students should be reduced to 30 days so that students get vaccinated, fully vaccinated. For the safety of the students, government CCTV camera install करतो दर एक bus stop, bus stand, public places for the safety of the students and especially the girls. And action of plan through home department त्याने किती तयार करतो आणि only final year offline classes begin करची with a hybrid mode.